5、5、訓読み、いつ、5つ。This kanji mean 5 or the number 5. Now let's learn how to use this kanji. Go. Go. This means 5. For example, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So if we create a sentence for how to use the kanji of go, you can say like あなたの家族は何人がいますか？あなたの家族は何人がいますか？ Which means how many people are there in your family? In the way like that, you can say like 私の家族は5人がいます。Which means there are 5 people in my family. Or you can say another way like 私は5人の家族です。私は5人の家族です。Which means there are 5 people in my family. Or you can say another way like 田中さんの家族は5人がいます。Or you can say like 田中さんは5人の家族です。Which means it just means the same way like there are 5 people in Tanaka-san's family. 5月 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 is mean May, the month of May. For example, you can say like あなたの誕生日はいつですか？あなたの誕生日はいつですか？ When is your birthday? 私の誕生日は5月1日です。私の誕生日は5月1日です。Which means my birthday is 1st May. My birthday is 1st May. 五輪 is mean Olympics ring. Go is mean 5. Ling is mean the rings. So which mean go ring is mean Olympics rings. Gobu gobu. Gobu gobu is mean as likely as not or 50-50 or even match. Go is mean 5. Bu is mean par, right? So when you say gobu is mean 50-50. For example, we can create a sentence like 勝つか負けるかは五分五分です。勝つか負けるかは五分五分です。Which means it's about 50-50 to win or lose the game. It's about 50-50 to win or lose the game. So every time you say about 50-50, you can say gobu gobu. Daigo. Daigo is mean the fifth. Dai is mean the number, right? For example, the dai is mean the original number, and go is mean 5. So when you say daigo is mean the fifth. For example, we can create a sentence like daigo 日本語コンテスト。第5日本語スピーチコンテスト。Which means the fate of Japanese speech contest. The fate of Japanese speech contest. 第5日本語スピーチコンテスト。Or you can say another way like 第5日本語能力試験。第5日本語能力試験 This means the fate of JLPT test. 5つ5つ5つ is mean 5. This means we will use 5つ to count something. For example, the room. If I want to say this house has 5 rooms. This house has 5 rooms. You can say like この家は5つの部屋があります。この家は5つの部屋があります。Which means this house has 5 rooms. いつかいつかいつか is mean fate, day of the month. They don't say like 5日 right? So this is the special reading, so you have to remember. It's read like いつか not 5日 right? So it's the special reading. For example, we can create a sentence like 今日は何日ですか？今日はいつつかです。Which means 今日は何日ですか？ It means what day is today? 今日はいつかです。Which means today is fate. 五感五感五感 is mean 5 sense. 5 sense. Go is mean 5. And kan is mean sense. Kan is from the kanji, right? Kanji is mean feeling, your emotion, right? From you feeling from your heart, from your body, right? So that's from is mean sense, and go kan is mean 5 sense.